Hello and welcome to my channel. Celery juice has been all the rage of self-proclaimed wellness gurus. As such, people all over social media have begun praising the trend. There seems to always be a wellness trend that becomes a hit one year and then is proven ineffective the next, but celery juice doesn't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon. Anthony William, the health guru in Los Angeles, California, who dubs himself the originator of global celery juice movement, told the New York Post that celery juice is a powerful herbal medicine that's killing bugs in people's bodies. Anthony claims that drinking a glass of celery juice on an empty stomach can restore the health of people with chronic and mystery illnesses. Yes, celery juice has many purported benefits, such as weight loss, reduced inflammation, and detoxing properties, but what really happens to your body when you drink the beverage every day? But before let's go further, I have to ask you, looking for the perfect weight loss smoothie recipe? We've gathered the top 25 best smoothie recipes for fast weight loss. It's a free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free these yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Now, let's talk about the benefits of celery juice. 1. Prevents vision issues. Celery is very high in vitamin A and this vitamin plays a critical role in vision. It protects the eye surface from bacteria and viruses. Vitamin A also helps to prevent the development of age-related vision issues like cataracts. 2. Reduces the risk of cancer. Celery contains lutein and researchers found that this element weakens cancer cells and makes them more susceptible to treatment. Celery has been used in Chinese medicine as an anti-cancerous agent for a long time. 3. Neutralizes acidic food. Celery is high in elements like iron, magnesium, and sodium which give celery juice its strong alkalizing properties. In other words, it can neutralize acidic foods, thereby helping us maintain a healthy pH balance in our body. Consuming too much acidic food can cause all sorts of health issues like bone deterioration, kidney stones, and liver and heart problems. And because lots of food we eat every day are acidic, adding celery juice into your daily routine can stop some of those issues from building up. 4. Regulates fluid balance. Celery is very high in potassium and this mineral plays a significant role in many processes in our body. Scientists believe that potassium is the third most important mineral for our bodies to function well. We are made of about 60% water and 40% of this water is found inside your cells, while the remaining is outside the cells, in your spinal fluid, blood, and between your cells. This level of water inside and outside your cells is critical and affected by the concentration of electrolytes. Potassium dissolves in water and behaves in our system like a positively charged electrolyte, regulating the level of water inside the cells. 5. Prevents type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is becoming a serious health issue for the modern world. It's estimated that by 2030, more than 400 million people around the world will suffer from this disease. Celery is one of the natural ways to prevent it from happening. It contains a lot of vitamin K and a study has proven that vitamin K improves our sensitivity to insulin. 6. It's high in folate. Folate is one of the B group vitamins and it's an essential element for red and white blood cells in the bone marrow. It also plays an important role in turning carbohydrates into energy, breaking down protein, and producing DNA. Just 1 cup of celery juice contains 145 micrograms of folate, which is over 36% of the recommended intake for men and women, and 29% for pregnant and breastfeeding women. To conclude, drinking celery juice seems to be a realistic habit to start and maintain. Though I still do not think that celery juice can cure diseases, it may help alleviate some of the symptoms. Drinking celery juice may also help prevent chronic diseases as it is a good way to ensure you are consuming an adequate amount of micronutrients. Overall, drinking celery juice as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle can help you achieve and/or maintain your goals. Also, don't forget to download our free gift for you. Check the first link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.